Hello, Sissies! So, welcome back to another video. Wow! Akala mo naman talaga YouTuber. But anyway, honestly, I feel so awkward because I don't know where to look. Hindi ko alam if dito sa screen or dito sa camera. And forgive me guys, this is the first time that I am actually doing a landscape video na kita ko yung sarili ko for my YouTube channel. So this one feels like a dream. Because you guys know that I really love watching YouTube vlogs. I've been a fan of a lot of vloggers, a lot of content creators here in this platform. And to be able to do this, grabe, parang I made it, mom. Anyway, that's not the point of the video. I know this is something new. This format is really something new for our channel because alam niyo naman that this channel is mainly for my travel content, for my travel diaries, travel memories, all of my travels for the past year. I shared it here in this YouTube channel. But I figured and I just discovered na meron ng YouTube shopping here in the Philippines. So, usually, diba, before, pag nanonood tayo ng mga content creators na favorites natin, they would say, link below. Link in the caption box. Parang ganun. Basta link below. But now, you can actually click or toggle. Toggle? You can actually click like a shop or view products like icon here or here. I'm not sure kung nasan siya dito. Which side? But, you can shop from YouTube na. So, sabi ko, since ang dami ko din naman talagang mga travel products or like travel must-haves na recommendations. And most of what I have been buying from Lazada is really for traveling. I figured na I'm gonna share it here so that you guys can actually shop na din. And, you know, matry lang yung YouTube shopping. Baka sakaling mag-work. Diba? Baka sakaling mabudol kayo, guys. I have products that has been with me for years. As in years. And I have proof to back it up. Pero, meron ding mga bagong products just because I figured that if you have friends, if you have family, if you have loved ones who also loves to travel, then you guys can actually give this as a gift. And it's the perfect timing to shop now. Wow! Shop now! Because Lazada is having their 12/12 all-out Pasko sale. I think ito yung mga last na double-digit. Hindi last na. Ito na talaga yun. This is the last double-digit sale that we will have for the year. So expect that you guys will get the best deals. And before anything else, i-share ko na that I have a voucher code. Yay! Finally, may voucher code tayo kasi last month wala tayong voucher code. You can actually use my code LAZYTSIZZY500 to get 500 pesos off your orders. Minimum spend of 2,000 pesos. That's valid from December 11, 8 p.m. until December 14. So more or less, may 3 days kayo to actually enjoy that voucher. And you can use that one time for every user. So kung ako sa inyo, kung meron ka pang gustong bilhin, sa kalimutan mong isama sa order mo, pabili mo dun sa kapatid mo, sa brother mo, sa mom mo, or like sa jowa mo, tas use my code because sayang yung 500 pesos. So imagine, if you have 2,000 pesos worth of spend, you can actually get 500 pesos off. 1,500 na lang yun. O diba? Simple math lang yan, guys. Simple math! Again, all you have to do is click on the view products or you can shop in my YouTube bag. So lahat ng products na papakita ko sa inyo, guys, nandyan na yun lahat. I'll make sure that everything is there, or if I can add a few more products, then I will. But all of the products that I will show you today is all travel related. So you can give this as a gift to your loved ones na mahilig mag-travel, or you can gift it to yourself. Dahil mahilig ka rin mag-travel at maggala katulad ko. Opo. Anyway, so I have, actually hindi nagkasya dito lahat. But inside this luggage, nandito lahat ng aking travel recos. But first things first, I highly recommend this Bash luggage. Kasi guys, ito yung reason bakit hindi na ako fan ng mga luggage na walang front pocket or walang front compartment, because I do carry my laptop or my iPad wherever I go. So having this is very efficient. And this is one of their newest colors. So what I love about Bash luggage is that meron siyang hook dito. So alam niyo yung kapag namimili kayo sa airport ng mga pampasalubong, you have your hook. This one is the front compartment. And when you open it, sana hindi mag-fall yun ako. When you open it, you have a lot of compartments inside as well. You have a laptop sleeve, meron pa dito. And then sa front, meron din yung zipper here and also here. And your way to the main compartment is actually through here. So dito siya. So if you're gonna ask me bakit siya may zipper sa gilid, this is actually an expandable luggage, if that's the proper term. But if naparami kayo ng dala, pwede nyo siyang i-expand. But this one kasi, if mga short trips, staycations, pwede nyo rin siyang gamitin. So, na-expand siya para you can carry more items. So, there, you can actually expand this pa. Diba? So, pwede pa kayo magdala ng marami. And you also have like a charging port here. So, pwede kayong magkabit ng power bank inside. And then, when you charge or when you put your cords here, pwede kayo makapag-charge. So, this new one has Type-C and also USB. Kasi yung first nila, I also had the first one. Yun, USB lang. And then, here sa back is actually one of my favorite features of the Bash carry-on luggage. It's the cup holder. Kasi alam naman natin na when we go to the airport, usually wala talagang patungan ng cups. So, you have that. And then, lastly, if you're gonna ask me about yung wheels niya, easiness niya to be carried, sobrang smooth nito. And rest assured na hindi sirain yung wheels niya, hindi sirain yung luggage na to. This one is actually a new one because they released a new color. So, hindi ako nakapagpigil. Sobrang ganda. But I actually shared na my old one with my sister and she loves it so much. So that is my first reco. Next travel must-have for me is another Bash products. Guys, organic to ha. As in, I really bought my Bash products. Especially itong mga pink na to. Kinuha ko siya halos lahat ng color, lahat ng styles na meron in this color because I'm a sissy. I love pink. This one, actually nakasale siya from 1795. It's at 1693 na lang. And I got all the sizes. So when I travel, dito ko na nilalagay. Ayan, nandito na lahat. Yung mga extras ko. So it looks like this one. I highly recommend this if you want to organize your clothes, if you want to organize everything that you're bringing. Kasi the small one of this one I use for underwear or sometimes socks, and then sometimes kahit yung mga other stuff na dinadala natin. This one is really nice. The tela is also really nice. Para siyang nylon. So kahit na medyo mabasa-basa siya, hindi siya nagsisip in. And I just love this one. This is one of my best investments when it comes to traveling. I think it comes in a set of 3 already. This is the large, may small, and medium size pa. This also comes in a lot of colors. So, pwede rin kayo mamili. Pag ipapangregalo nyo siya, you can choose the best color for your loved ones. This one is another Bash something. You guys, sobrang love ko si Bash. Miss Bea, baka naman charet. Pero this one is my toiletry organizer. I have a lot. As in guys, lahat ata ng pouch or lahat ng organizer nila meron ako. But the one that really worked for me is really this one. When it comes to toiletries, kasi it looks like this inside. Ayan, ganyan yung itsura niyo inside. So what I love about this is hindi siya yung net kasi usually pag net nababasa-basa siya, 'di ba? So this one, in case may mag-spill, in case, but it never happened to me yet. In case lang naman, secured yung gamit mo because ganito yung kanyang cover and may ganito siya. It also has a hook. So it's easier for me to sabit it. So ganyan siya usually sa mga CR ng hotels that I go to. But it's really nice. It's big enough to hold a lot of toiletries. This one from 895, it's only 714 this 12/12 all-out Pasko sale. If you guys are looking for affordable and budget-friendly na pangregalo sa mga galanyong friends, then I highly suggest getting this one. And diba uso ngayon yung mga small gifts, yung ginaganon lang sa table and then you get one each. This one is my favorite toiletry pump bottles. So syempre, I don't really like carrying the big bottles of my skincare, body care, hair care. So, dito ko siya nilalagay and sobrang ganda nito, guys. So, it looks like this one. So, the cheapest is 46 pesos na lang from 65 pesos. Sobrang sulit nito. This is airless pump. So, as you pump it, talagang nasisimot niya pataas. Kapag ubos na, is ipupush down mo lang siya ulit and then refill. But this one, wala pa akong spill na na-experience. Wala pang nabasag. Ayan yung material niya. This one is really nice. So if you guys are looking for that budget-friendly, medyo tipid na regalo, this is really good. I think kahit sinong bigyan nyo, maa-appreciate talaga tong airless pump na bottle na to. I love it. Moving on! Nauna na ako sa 12/12, but these are just repurchases. And yung isa dito, actually pang regalo ko, then yung isa sa akin. When it comes to travel shoes, guys, ito yung favorite ko this year. I never go out of the country, out of town, without one pair of this because at the moment, I have 5 pairs. I have 5 pairs of this specific shoe. This is also the perfect time for you guys to buy it kasi a lot of their products are on sale. And this one I got for 15% off. Sa Lazada, guys, naka 15% off si Nike. So, it's the Air Riffs. So, ito yung itsura niya. It's like the Kalabaw shoes. So, ito siya. I have this in black canvas, off-white canvas, or like cream na canvas. I got 2 leather ones, brown and black, and then this one is the newest addition to my Air Rift collection. And I just love how quirky and cute the colors are. Ang tagal nang nasa basket ko neto, I figured na okay, since it's 12/12 and Nike has 15% off na deals. So ganito siya. So, magkaiba talaga siya. Mismatch yung pair in a way, but it's super cute. And these are really comfortable, guys. This one, I must say, is true to size kasi usually I'm a size 9 sa Nike and I got size 9. This one will be with you sa 20,000 to 25,000 steps or more. So, ayan. If you guys are also planning to buy any Nike product, they have a lot of items na ang laki ng discounts and also vouchers that you can use. This one, from 5,795, I got it for only 4,925 and 0.75 centavos. Parang mga ganun na lang, but super less. 15% off. Nagkaroon pa nga ako ng excuse to buy for myself. I wanted to share that my justification to, I'm going to Korea end of the month. So, I'm gonna wear it na for my next travel. Wah! Alam ko ang dami nang nagre-regalo nito, especially like last year. But this is a newer version and I feel like this is a better version. Wow! And it's this portable fan. It's this mini fan. Ayan siya, guys. This is so much smaller than the usual and yung typical na niregalo last year. So this is the bigger one, the Jisoo Life. But whenever I travel and when I go out of the house, this is what I bring. So this one is a mini fan, but this one is really strong. As in, so this is number 1 pa lang, guys. Oh, 100. Oh, kahit ganyan kalayo, 'di ba? So super nice nito because this one is really handy. Like mas maliit pa siya sa kamay ko. I love it so much. This one is also on sale from 599. It's only 520 this 12/12 sale. So ayan, sobrang nice nito. It also has a lot of colors. So pwede kayo mamili, mas personalize yung color dun sa pagbibigyan nyo. So next is power bank. This one I think makes the perfect gift, especially for anyone because lahat naman tayo mayroong gadgets na ginagamit, especially when we travel. So this is what I bring with me kahit na isang buong araw ako like wala sa hotel. This one really saves my life kapag nalulubat ako. So this one is from Sumeto. This is 10,000 mAh. And again, mas maliit pa din siya sa kamay ko. So it's very handy, it's very portable, fast charging as well. As in, sobrang bilis. Especially if you pair it with a cord that is fast charging as well. So my cord is actually from Anker. And itong combination na to, guys, this will give you 2 full charges, 0 to 100, and fast charging din siya. This one is, I think, 1,299. And for its price, promise, sobrang sulit. This is actually the newer version. I used to have the old version and sobrang dumi na niya, guys. So I had to retire it and get the newer version. Kahit anong bilhin ko ng power bank, I still go back to this one because simply the best. So I have 3 more items. So this one, I mentioned kanina that some items here have been with me for the longest time. So this one, binili ko siya, guys. Sinave ko yung screenshot kung kailan ko siya binili. I got this 2023. So, I have been using it every travel since 2023. This one is the Tilex na universal adapter and hindi ko siya mapalitan. You know why? So, this is how it looks like. Ayan siya. Medyo bulky ng very light, but trust me, kapag nagkaroon kayo nito, hindi nyo na siya iiwan. Kahit nga out of town lang, lagi nyo pa din siyang bibit-bitin. So, this one is a universal adapter. So, wherever you go, meron kang option ng outlet na pwede. So, when I go to Hong Kong, ito yung ginamit ko. When I also went to Japan, when I went to the US, ito din. So, you have options here. Europe, UK, US, and Australia na mga outlet. The reason why it's a bit bulky is This one is also an adapter or can be an adapter as well. So you can actually connect USB or Type-C cords dito. So kapag ginagamit ko siya, usually ganyan, dalawa. Kasi kapag may plug naman na pwede to, then I use this as an adapter and then this one as another adapter. I super love this one. I've had it for 2 years. Guys, 2 years. O diba? Grabe kayo. Huwag niyo sabihin na lagi akong bumibili ng bago. Minsan lang yun. From 1,299, it's only 662. So, almost 50% off na yan, guys. So, super nice niya. I think this is the perfect time for you to get it. And again, it just makes the perfect gift. I feel like lahat ng pinrepair ko dito, pwede talaga siya pang Christmas gift. So, I wanted to add this one pala. This is from Ulanzi. This is my trusty tripod. I bring this whenever I travel. So, kapag nagta-travel ako, ito yung dinadala ko because sobrang ganda niya. It's very sturdy. Hindi ito sirain. Ganyan siya. O, diba? And then you guys don't need to bring pa a mount for your phones kasi built-in na siya. It's like this. So this is where you mount your phone. But if you want, you can actually buy like a MagSafe na mount para didikit mo lang. Or this can also support cameras. Kaya siya may screw na ganyan. This is one of my favorite travel boodles also kasi sobrang sturdy niya. This one I've had for, I think since last year ko siya binili. This one from 701 pesos, nasa 661 pesos na lang siya. Around that price. So if you guys are looking for a sturdy tripod, then you can go for this one. I say mag-invest na kayo dito para hindi kayo bili ng bili because diba usually yung mga tripod is sirain siya. Ito guys, more than a year na ata sa akin and thumbs up. Thumbs up! Okay, second to the last is another budget-friendly and tipid reco. So this is a portable tabo. Feeling ko kasi a lot of us, hindi na tayo nagdadala ng like portable bidet or like ganitong foldable tabo when we travel because we always assume that all the hotels and all the CRs have bidet. Pero guys, hindi. Sa Hong Kong, parang wala pa akong hotel na napuntahan na may bidet. Kahit naman sa Japan toilet, parang kulang, diba? Or, I don't know. But this one is always in my check-in luggage. So, this is a foldable tabo. Ito yung mga Christmas gifts na akala nyo joke lang. Pero at the end of the day, isang taon nyo ting gagamitin pag binigay sa inyo. So, this one I like to bring with me kahit saan ako magpunta. This is 58 pesos na lang from 65 pesos. So, pwede din to pang small gifts. Yung tatapon mo lang and marami siyang colors. But, in fairness sa kanya, hindi talaga siya sirain. I've had this for more than a year na din. So, ayan. Super cute lang niya na travel reco. And akala nyo lang talaga, hindi nyo siya kakailanganin. In one of your travels, believe me, if you get this, magagamit nyo siya. Last but not the least, this is, I think, the most expensive out of all the items I've showed you. For my Sizzies out there, is one of my best and favorite investment. Hindi lang siya pang travel, even for your daily use and for your everyday life. So this one is actually from Dyson. So this is the newest Airwrap na Co-Anda 2X. So I used to have the Airwrap 2. I also have the Airwrap Co-Anda na pink. But the reason why I got this is because I'm actually giving this as a gift to someone. So this one I got it from Lazada because from 38,900, when you buy this 12/12 all-out Pasko sale in their Lazada store, this is only 37,500. So, sobrang makakatipid kayo. And then, pwede mo din gamitin yung voucher code ko. Again, last YTX Sizzy 500 to get 500 pesos off since ang minimum spend naman nun is 2,000. So, I'll quickly show you guys how this looks like. Kasi ibabalot ko pa naman din to. So, it's okay kahit na i-open ko siya. So, this one supports yung Airwrap ID. So, you can install the app sa phone nyo so you can control also. Alright, so for the last one, this one, I actually got this kasi ibibigay ko siya as a gift. But I also have this as well. So alam ko na talagang, so I can attest to why I am recommending this product. So since ibabalot ko naman siya in a different wrapper, so this one is the Dyson Airwrap ID Straight Plus Wavy. So this one is actually one of the newest products as well. Though yung pinakabago nila is the Airwrap Co-Anda 2X, which is also on sale. I'll show you guys. So the Co-Anda Koanda 2X is this one. Yung difference niya is it has this attachment. This one is also available na sa Lazada store ni Dyson. This is also on sale from 38,900. This 12/12 all-out Pasko sale, it's 37,500. So kulang pa ako ng attachments because nandun siya sa case. But this is how my Koanda 2X looks like. Ito yung medyo pink version. Honestly, my biggest regret is not waiting for it na ma-launch dito. Because I got this for like 39,000. Pinabili ko pa siya noon sa Korea just because I couldn't wait. So the 37,500 na sale price niya sa Lazada store ni Dyson is already super sulit. But why did I get this one? So yung pagbibigyan ko kasi nito, mas gusto niya nagsistyle ng hair niya na curly. So this one, if okay lang sa'yo na wala yung bagong attachment, then you can go for the Airwrap ID na straight and wavy. So these are the attachments na kasama. So you have here the blower. Sobrang ganda nito, guys. This is one of the reasons why I got the Koanda 2X. But since meron si straight and wavy, I opted for this one. So this one, sobrang bilis nito maka-dry ng hair. You have two sizes of the curling barrels. You have the smoothing brush, and then you also get the large round volumizing brush. And then the last one, you get the dryer and fly away smoother. So ito siya, guys. So honestly, for me, this is also very sulit unless talagang gusto mong ma-experience yung bagong attachment na meron si Koanda 2X. But yung pinaka gusto ko about this one, kaya I opted to get this one as a gift, is the price. Guys, yung price niya, especially this 12/12. The original price of this one is 33,948. You can get this for 31,548 na lang. So if you're waiting for the perfect time to get yourself your first Dyson, or if you're waiting for the perfect time to upgrade from your old version ng mga Dyson Airwrap, then take advantage of the 12/12 all-out Pasko sale ni Dyson sa Lazada kasi, guys, sobrang ganda talaga ng deals nila. And then you can also collect other vouchers and also use my voucher. And daming vouchers dyan from Lazada mismo. So you have free shipping, no minimum spend. Again, if you guys want to shop any of these products that I just showed you, then you can just click my YouTube bag or the View Products tab or button that you can see on your screens. And then from there, you can already start enjoying shopping for yourself or for your loved ones. And again, lahat ng mga travel recos ko na to, hindi ako mapapaya because I personally used them or have been using them for years. But ayan, super duper enjoy. Sobrang nakakapanibago pala mag long form video or like YouTube form budol kasi feeling ko, oh, it's a sin to talk this long. I think my video right now is mga 30 minutes na. But yun, gusto ko lang i-explain kasi each product. And I figured that since a lot of you guys really enjoy the travel vlogs, maybe ma-enjoy nyo din yung mga travel product recos ko. And what's a better timing than 12/12 all-out Pasko sale sa Lazada? So there you have it, Z's. If you guys have any questions or if you want to share your thoughts on any of these products, share your experiences as well. Comment it down below. Wow! Sobrang YouTuber ko! There you have it, Z's. Let me know if you guys enjoy these types of videos para every now and then gagawa ako ng mga recos, or also if you want me to have more sit-down videos talking about travel, or let's see if magpapasok ako ng ibang aspect ng buhay ko dito sa YouTube. There, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please feel free to subscribe. Wow! Subscribe! Like, follow, and subscribe. Okay. Pero, yun. Happy holidays, everyone! Hopefully, I get to release another vlog after this. Sana mahabol ko yung Korea vlog ko before the year ends. But there you have it, Z's. Again, make sure to connect with me in any of my social media platforms. I'll see you guys on the next one. Happy shopping, happy budol, happy 12/12! Wow!